In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your own Substack account, perfect for beginners. Welcome to this quick guide where we'll walk through the steps to get you set up in just a few minutes. First, open up your web browser and head over to Substack's homepage by typing substack.com into the address bar. This will bring you to their user-friendly site, a place where all of your future publishing dreams can begin. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen for a button labeled Create Account. Clicking this button is your first step on the journey to creating your very own Substack account. Next, you'll see a list of categories. These categories are there to help Substack tailor your experience based on your interests. It's a good idea to take a moment to browse through the options and select the topics that genuinely pique your interest. Don't worry too much about missing something. You can always adjust your preferences later if need be. Once you've picked your interests, look for a button labeled Continue. This will guide you to the next stage. Here, you'll likely see a variety of creators suggested for you, based on the interests you selected. Feel free to scroll through these recommendations. You might discover some inspiring voices that appear to align with your tastes. If someone catches your eye, you can delve deeper by subscribing to their content. When you're ready, hit subscribe and continue. Now it's time to provide your email address. It's important to use an active email that you check regularly, since this will be your primary mode for getting updates and newsletters from Substack. After entering your email, the next crucial step is to agree to Substack's terms of use. These terms ensure you're informed about the platform's guidelines and policies. It's a good idea to read through these to avoid any surprises later on. Once you've agreed, click subscribe and join Substack, officially making you a part of the community. The next phase in this setup is to personalize your profile. Start by entering your name. Then, think about crafting a unique handle that represents you and isn't too similar to others, as this will form part of your Substack newsletter's web address. With your handle selected, it's time to draft a compelling bio. This snippet is your opportunity to tell readers a little bit about who you are and what your newsletter will cover. Keep it short and sweet to grab attention, yet make sure it's informative. With your bio complete, hit Continue. Substack might offer you the chance to download their app. This app can be quite handy for reading newsletters on the go and staying seamlessly updated. While downloading it isn't mandatory, it's worth considering for an enhanced user experience. Finally, proceed by clicking Continue once more, then start exploring the diverse content that awaits you. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of Substack. You're now all set to start exploring, engaging, and even creating your newsletters when you're ready. Have a great journey sharing your stories and connections through Substack.